Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to cover theodolite survey which would be useful for civil engineering students. First of all, we will be discussing what is theodolite survey. Theodolite survey is used for measuring the horizontal and vertical angle with the help of theodolite. Here you can see the figure of theodolite. Classification of theodolite based on horizontal axis and based on angle. Based on horizontal axis, there is transit theodolite and non-transit theodolite. Transit theodolite means if telescope can rotate a complete rotation about horizontal axis, then it is said to be transit theodolite. Non-transit means theodolite cannot rotate to a complete rotation about horizontal axis, then it is said to be non-transit theodolite. Based on angle, there are three classifications: vernier theodolite, micrometer, and electronic digital theodolite. Vernier theodolite is said to be when the vernier is attached to the graduated circle. Micrometer theodolite is said when micrometer is attached to the graduated circle. And electronic digital theodolite is said when electronic distance measuring is attached to the theodolite. We can say other name total station. Size of theodolite are designated based on diameter of graduated circle on lower plate. Commonly we are using 8 cm to 12 cm diameter of lower plate, but for greater accuracy we are using 14 cm to 25 cm for any triangulation works. Use of theodolite. Generally it is used for measuring horizontal and vertical angle, locating points on a line, prolonging survey lines, setting out grades, finding difference of level, ranging curves, tachyometric survey. Now I will be looking for the components of vernier theodolite in transit. Here shows the figure of theodolite. First of all, there is a vertical axis about horizontal plane. Here telescope is attached, in which objective piece and eyepiece is shown, which is used for focusing any object. This telescope is attached to the Toomean axis, which is also said to be horizontal axis. On the Toomean axis, there is a vertical circle which is used for taking the reading of vertical measurement. And also there is a altitude bubble for the leveling of telescope whenever there is a requirement of vertical reading. This telescope can be fixed accordingly using a vertical clamp screw. Wherever measurement needed, this clamping screw can be used. Moving downward, there is a plate level which is used for leveling whenever there is requirement of horizontal angles. Below which there is a upper plate. On the upper plate you can see the vernier scale A and B on the opposite sides, and this upper plate is in the inner spandrel and the lower plate is in the outer spandrel, and below which there is a leveling head. Leveling head consists of 3 foot screw for leveling the instruments. This leveling head is connected to a trivet, and this trivet is connected to tripod head, and there is a tripod leg below. Now here in the next figure you can see the upper plate in the inner spindle and the lower plate in the outer spindle. For clamping upper plate we are using upper clamp screw, and for clamping lower plate we are using lower clamp screw. Now here are some terminologies we are using in any practical works. First of all, there is centering. Centering means setting the theodolite exactly over the station. For centering we need plumb bob, which is attached to the theodolite for any centering. Transiting is also known as plunging or reversing. It is the process of turning the telescope about horizontal axis through 180 degree in vertical plane. If it is rotated about 180 degree in vertical plane, then it is said to be mean transit. If we can rotate in 360 degree, then it is said to be transit theodolite. Swinging the theodolite. If the telescope is moving in horizontal plane, it is said to be swinging. Left face means vertical circle of the instrument is in the left side of observer, it is said to be face left. If the vertical circle of the instrument is in the right side of observer, then it is said to be right face. We are taking the left face and right face both reading for the accuracy of surveying. Line of collimination. Line of collimination is also known as line of sight. It is an imaginary line of intersection of crosshair of diaphragm to optical center of object glass and its continuation. Axis of telescope. It is also an imaginary line joining the optical center of object glass to the center of eyepiece. Axis of level tube, or we can say bubble tube. It is a straight line tangent to the longitudinal curve of level tube at the center of tube. Vertical axis, telescope can be rotated in the horizontal plane, and horizontal axis means a telescope can rotate in a vertical plane. Now we will be looking how to take a reading in vernier scale of theodolite. Here shows two scales. One is said to be mean scale and the other is said to be vernier scale. First of all, we will be focusing on mean scale. Now we have to go through an index, or you can say 0 point wherever touch the main scale. Here you can see after 10 degree the 0 index touch. So here mean scale reading will be 10 degree. Now we will be looking to vernier scale for taking the minutes and seconds. Now you can see the 0 touches after 10 degree. Here each division is 20 minutes. Here you can see the 20 minutes is crossed. So here our vernier scale will be 20 minutes. And now we'll be looking for how many seconds. For seconds we are looking forward with which division is matching the main scale and vernier scale. Here you can see the 20 second is matching with the main scale. So this 20 will be our seconds. So finally this reading will be 10 degree, 20 minutes, 20 seconds. Hope you guys understand. Fundamental axis of theodolite and their relationships. If we are looking for vertical axis to the horizontal plane, there is a horizontal circle which is used to get horizontal readings in a theodolite. If we are looking for a horizontal axis, there is a vertical plane where we have vertical circle which is used to take vertical angles in the theodolite. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned with us. Bye bye.